Namaskar everyone, welcome back to my channel Food Vision Hub. Stop thinking much. If you love flaky, crispy parathas, this onion paratha is going to steal your heart, soft inside, golden outside and loaded with perfectly caramelized onions. This recipe is simple, quick and absolutely irresistible. Come now, let's begin. To the large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of finely chopped onions, followed by 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of dhania powder, half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala and 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and set it aside. I have taken a chapati dough. Take a portion of the prepared chapati dough, make it into a small ball, flatten it and sprinkle some amount of flour and roll it. Make sure it is very nice and thin. Add half tablespoon of oil on top and spread it across. Place the prepared onion mixture on top of it and spread it. Place another rolled roti on top of it, seal the ends and roll it. Now cut it into 4 to 5 strips and roll it as shown. Sprinkle some amount of flour and chopped coriander leaves and start rolling it. Make sure it is neither thin nor thick. Now place it onto the heated tawa, coat it with some oil. Cook both the sides on the medium flame. Now crispy, super tasty onion paratha is ready. I have paired with curd and mint chutney. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.